Yeah, welcome back once again, guys. Today I'll show you how to install the spoiler of this car. So once you get this, you get a clamp with this. There's no any drilling or something in this, just to screw tighten it. So two clamps for the two sides you have. This is the GT type spoiler, so it's aftermarket actually. So this has to be tightened. So you have to, once you place this, like hold it like this and put this clip here and put the screws and just tighten it, and this part will automatically get locked to it, so it will not become loose. Even this side is the same. So very simple to easy, very easy to install this spoiler. I hope you like this video and see the finishing of this. This costed me around 4K. Okay, thank you guys. Please do subscribe to my channel.